In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a Gumroad membership in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If you no longer want to continue a Gumroad membership, you can cancel it directly from your membership settings or receipt email. Keep in mind that cancelling a membership usually stops future billing but does not automatically provide a refund. Now, if you want to cancel a Gumroad membership, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to the library section from your dashboard. After that, look for the membership or subscription you want to cancel. Then, open the membership details or manage membership section. Now, click on the option to cancel your membership or subscription. After that, confirm the cancellation request to stop future payments. You can also cancel your membership directly from your receipt email. Open the latest Gumroad receipt email you received for the subscription and click on Subscription Settings or Manage Membership. Then, follow the cancellation steps from there. After that, review your membership status to make sure the subscription was cancelled successfully. Usually, membership cancellation issues happen because users are logged into the wrong account or cannot access the original purchase email, so double check your login and receipt information carefully. That's it. By accessing your membership settings or receipt email properly, you can cancel your Gumroad membership and stop future subscription charges successfully.